Today I am starting a brand new project, and it is going to be decluttering every drawer, every cabinet, every little box, every nook and cranny that we have around here is going to get gone through. I just finished up a kitchen project where I painted our cabinets and we updated our backsplash. If you want to check that out, you can see a lot of shorts that I posted about that. But I want to take a break from the DIY and solely focus on decluttering and organization. This room is the room I want to start with because it is just a mess. If you have somewhere that you need to declutter in your house, why don't you join me and we can knock this out together. This contraption is pretty much where we store toys that are used by both kids. They have their specific personal toys in their room. So like magnetiles, trains, cars, action figures, those kind of things. And then I also work, my office is right in the same space. And so I have, this bin is used for quick filing. Schoolwork, I save all the kids' schoolwork in here. And then I go through this before summer hits and either throw things away that I don't need anymore or put them in like our permanent master filing system. Obviously, everything has kind of gone awry here, and I've just been super busy and haven't had a chance to go through everything. I even have like sweet little Mother's Day gifts for my kids, and I just really need to take some time and go through this. So far we have already started a trash bag, and now my little tray is completely clean. So now I can just sit here and wait for more papers to come along. This whole area of our kitchen is kind of like a homework station, and so I also keep extra supplies there. Some of it I might try to save for next school year, but some of it I might just save for our personal stash. So I'm gonna go through this bag and see what we got. An exercise band. One thing that I wanted to share is our kids' schoolwork and where we keep everything that we're going to save. So I've seen a lot of really cute organization systems online, but honestly, I feel like it can be way more simple. If you think about yourself as an adult, there's not many people who I think are gonna be dying to see like, oh, what I drew in kindergarten. But as parents, we feel a little bit sentimental about these things. So I like to just keep a few things from every year that our kids do, and then they go in this accordion file. So this is just like a $3 accordion file from Walmart, but that just makes it really simple and compact, and it makes it so I'm not saving everything. I have to kind of be choosy about the things that I'm saving. My kids might get this one day and be like, Mom, you really didn't have to save all this. But it's here just in case they do want something.